we'll start with Sean. You said, I'd like some advice on starting a membership community as simply as possible. Okay, let's dive in.
So I've been trying to build my soul-centered songwriting business and been working with one primary hub of online music students and planning to do a series of group classes there in addition to my ongoing one-on-one coaching. But I'd really feel like I'm getting to the point where I'd like to have my own community. Scaling in a manageable way, I was thinking to start it in a just very simple way using Google Docs and Zoom, stuff like that. But what is your opinion on how to jumpstart that? How much like content should I have in the can ready to go? That kind of stuff.
Yeah. I would say if you're thinking of starting a membership, I mean, zero content. You don't need any content.
Okay.
Yeah, you've already got plenty, but I would just start. This is the thing. The least compelling part of our work is the information. It's really the least compelling part. People more want the chance to connect with others. They want accountability. They want support. They want encouragement. They want structure. There's a lot of things people want more than the info because, of course, too much info is overwhelming. And so, to me, the big question for anyone who's thinking about a membership or any offer is this question. It's called the customer values question. And the question is, what's most important to my people when buying blank? So, Sean, for you, what's most important for these aspiring songwriters when looking at getting support, when looking at getting coaching, when looking at a membership? What matters most? And my guess is they're not like, boy, what matters most is I want to have a lot of videos I can watch and I want so many articles to read. They probably want some hand-holding. They want, a safe place to try out their songs. They want some honest feedback that's still kind. They want da, 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 da. So to me, when we're crafting an offer, it always starts with this. And there's two questions. One, what's most important to them when buying what I sell? And then just how do you give that to them? How do you make that available in the best way possible? And the second is the industry frustrations question, which is what frustrates or annoys the people I'm working with when they buy what I sell? So if there's a singer-songwriter and they want some support, maybe they've already hired some, and maybe there's stuff they don't like about those things. So can you address the most common frustrations? And again, then that just gets put into the structure of the membership itself. And then to me, you just start as bare bones. It could be a Facebook group. It could be a WhatsApp thread. It could be Google Docs and Zoom, and that's it. I think sometimes we look at people we admire and we think, I can't even do anything until I've got all that infrastructure. It's got to be so complicated. But actually, it doesn't. My membership had so much in it just because I had so much stuff and I was trying to figure out what to do with it. And I think I made the mistake of putting it all into my membership, which
I don't have to have 2,000 videos ready.
No, I mean 1,800 will do just fine.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So no, I mean no content at all.
That's reassuring. Yeah, I think what they're most hungry for is community and just real people, especially in the age of AI where like information overload is like way over the top and fake artificial people.
Amazing. Thank you, Sean.
All right. I'll be seeing you back in the membership real soon.
That sounds grand.